I'm Jason Garcia. Welcome to Douchebags.
I'm Jason.
I'm literally gonna die right now.
They can't control the wheel.
Look at how bad that went.
You do not know how far this looks on the camera.
What happened?
This looks so far from on the camera.
Jesus Christ, this ramp is a piece of crap.
Yes, it's ready.
Yeah. I'm not feeling too good about this right now. Jason, you did
3,
here and you almost fucking died.
2, 1.
How's he gonna stop in time? He doesn't have a brake.
Exactly.
Jay, go. Don't dip.
Look at him. Should have gotten him that belt buckle with his next show.
Bro, we went to this guy's store the other day. We saw a belt buckle. We were gonna get you. It said Mexico on.
Fuck you. Your turn.
Alright.